Well, a big hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continuing this journey along the Chelmer and Blackwater navigation from Chelmsford down to Maldon, and the section I'll be showing everybody today is between Sandford Lock and Cuton's Lock, yeah. and down to Cuton's Lock. So I think the journey is probably just over a mile long. And I've got my brother here with me again. So this is Phil, everybody. So he'll be joining me probably for the next few episodes. And we hope you enjoy the video. So here we go. We've got the lock gates just behind us. That's Sandford Lock. And we'll be completing our journey once we reach those next lock gates. So here we go. And you ready, Phil?
Yep, all ready.
Okay, let's head off. You ready?
All ready to go.
Yeah, definitely a lot of fish in the water, isn't there?
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Although they've been spawning, haven't they? So because you're not allowed to fish during the spawning season, are you?
Fishing season started yesterday.
Oh, it started yesterday, yeah?
Yeah, that's why we all done a night fish.
Oh, right, okay. So you might see a few fishermen along the route then?
Yeah, you will do.
Right, just over there, everybody, that's an artificial cut in the canal system there, and that takes you down onto a weir and back onto the actual river again. So of course me and my brother are going to be heading in this direction. I bet there's some stunning sections of river along this route actually.
Yeah, there is, yeah. That's where the old A12 lake is here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just there.
Yeah. Next week, Phil, if you want to borrow them, because I won't be because I'm away all next week.
Yeah.
If you want
to come.
Yeah.
On me.
Oh, we've got swan. Okay. Okay, everybody, we've actually got a mute swan just in front of us over here. I can't see any babies though. It's when they've got some cygnets around. Now, of course, we don't want to disturb the swans, so we're gonna stay to one side, and it could be a lone swan anyway, Phil. If it's a lone swan, it'll probably leave us alone, but it's just depends if it's got any little cygnets around.
Swimming away, isn't it?
Yeah. It doesn't seem to be paying any attention to us, which is lucky. Although he seems to be hogging the river, he's right in the middle of the river, everybody. He is right in the middle, yeah.
There he comes.
Right, okay, he's facing in that direction, so we're going to head over in this direction, I think. And yeah, no, he seems okay.
Yeah.
It might be, well, I'm not too sure if it's a boy or a girl, but no, he doesn't seem to have any. Oh, he's getting, no, he seems okay. Yep, no, he's not getting into any defensive. He's not getting defensive or anything, so we've got the swan just there over everybody. Yeah, no, he was quite nice, wasn't he? Okay, we're just coming up to the first of our bridges. Now this is the A12 bypass. The only thing I don't like about this road is you can actually hear the noise of that traffic for ages.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
No, I wouldn't, no. Well, this is a bit more pleasurable than a River Chelmer, isn't it, Phil? Wow, look at all the metal underneath here, Phil. Really clear as well. All the metal underneath here, look.
Yeah, I know, it's loads, yeah. Bikes, trolleys.
Yeah. Might be a good spot for magnet fishing here.
Yeah, I can't imagine anything would be down here.
No? No.
There's a lot of wire on this floor, eh?
Yeah, there is. I think that's... Yeah, it looks like that's holding the bank together, doesn't it? When I was kayaking on Monday, a big breeze picked up along the river and it pushed me back down the river, yeah. So I don't think I'd want to go kayaking too much in the winter. There's a lovely bridge coming up there, everybody. This might be a nice stretch to take Teddy.
Take Teddy, yeah, that's it. Yeah, definitely.
So will Zoe go kayaking, will she, or...?
No, she won't go kayaking.
No?
But I was going to get Teddy between my legs.
Yeah, okay. Well, when I drop you off later, I'll leave one of the kayaks with you.
Oh, yeah, lovely.
And then I can pick it up the next time we go kayaking or something. Yeah? And then you and Zoe can come down here or something and have, well, anywhere along the river.
Anywhere along the river, yes.
Go and have a picnic and...
Yeah.
I haven't got the life jackets though, they're at home.
Are they? Well, I can always come round with Zoe and grab that life jacket.
Yeah, okay.
He's an orange hat now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to be about 5 metres.
Yeah, that's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's doing well. So have you ever walked this, Phil?
Yeah, I've walked here, yeah. You can get in up here as well. You go through Chelmer Village, the new Chelmer Village estate.
Yeah.
And go under a subway.
Oh right, yeah, I have seen that section actually.
Me and Zoe were sitting up here the other day actually.
Yeah? You saw a big fish?
That was big.
Yeah?
Probably a pike.
Yeah. I'll tell you, the water quality's got really good, isn't it?
Yeah, it has, yeah.
Oh look, Phil, there's a it's like a black ingret, isn't that? Can you see it?
Oh yeah. One of those ones that dive under, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, there it is, up there, look. Oh, it's going to land on that pilot. Beautiful bird, isn't it? Oh, I bet dredging that means that's blocked, so we can't go up there, so we'll have to go back, Phil.
Oh, will we?
Yeah. Oh, that's a shame.
What's down that one then?
No, that's Cuton's lock just there, Phil.
Right,
And no, there's a weir.
Oh, that's it, is it?
Yeah, there's a weir there, so we'll have to go back. It's a shame, isn't it?
Same, yeah. Stop lamp plugging, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, I did see a van go past, you know, an Essex Waterways van.
Yeah, I know, yeah, that's what we were doing, yeah. There is a waterway around here as well, isn't
Yeah, it's just on that side,
Yeah.
and it is quite a big weir, so there's no way you'd be able to get down it. Okay, everybody, that pretty much brings that one to a close because they're actually dredging around the canal area. So sadly we couldn't show you Cuton's lock, but the next time we come out kayaking, we'll be able to show them Cuton's lock from the other side anyway. So hopefully the next episode we'll be able to show you that start of that lock, but sadly we can't show you the completion of it. But yeah, we're gonna take a nice slow kayak back up to the other end, I think, and we hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll try and get some images of some fish and some wildlife on our route. So until next time, a big thank you for joining us. Stay safe and bye for now. Say bye, Phil.
Bye.
Bye everybody.